I talked to a contractor at a building site and he told me, I get paid to do it the first time, but I don't get paid to do it the second time, to rework things. And so he's very much focused on doing it right the first time. And I think we'd all say that, but if you look at most companies, they all have a giant fix-it factory. Fixing this, that, and the other thing, and those people are being paid to fix things that shouldn't have been broken to begin with, or to trash the things they can't fix. And it doesn't matter if it's scrap in a manufacturing plant, or it's overproduction, or whether it's patients who are injured during care, all of those things, right? You can't afford the rework. You can't afford it. So what do you have to do? You have to take the tools of quality, QA macros, agile process innovation, start hacking away at the root of evil, not the leaves of evil. And when you do that, guess what? You get more productive, more profitable, people get happier, patients and customers get happier, everything works. So that's my improvement insight for this week. Get out of the rework business. Get out of the scrap business. Right? I'm Jay Arthur, author of Lean Six Sigma Demystified and the QI Macros. Let's go out and improve something this week.